Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level. Nobody can find the letter Y. Amazing! This one is the right odd one. Anybody can find the oddball emoji. This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Can you find the odd letter H-O? Good job. This one is the odd letter. Identify the different number 27. Good job. You identify the right number. Puzzle master can find the odd letter. Amazing, you are a puzzle master. Can you find the odd toy store within time? Good job, this one is the odd emoji. Difficult to find the number 25. This one is difficult, but you find it. Can you find the unique one within given time? That's one, the unique letter. Can you solve this math quiz? 62 plus 42 minus 10 divided by 2. That one is the right answer. Focus master can find the number 54. Good job, you are a focus master. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the odd one note within time? That's one, the odd emoji. Find the odd number 264. Great job, you find it within given time. Find the odd letter ZOH. Great job, this one is the odd letter. Impossible to find the odd number. Great job, this one impossible, but you find it. Anybody can find the odd emoji within time. Great, you picked the right emoji. One letter is different, can you find it? Great job, this one is the different letter. Can you find the number 346? That's one, the odd number. Can you solve this math quiz? 55 plus 99 minus 24 divided by 2. This option is the right option. Good job. Can you spot the odd letter within time? You find the correct letter. Genius can find the number 651. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. Genius will find the odd emoji. That's one, the odd emoji. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? That's one is the unique number. eyes test. Find the number 201. Anybody can find the letter V, C, T. That's one, the right one. Can you pick the odd one number within time? Amazing! You picked the odd one number. 2 exciting level done, hard level start. Are you focus master? Find the odd emoji. Yes, this one is the odd emoji. Are you smart? Find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Can you find the odd letter within time? That one is the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Can you see it, the odd letter? You, faster than a computer, find the odd emoji. Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Test your brain IQ. Find the odd number. Your brain will be tested. You find it. Test your visual skill. Find the odd letter. Brand test. Find the number 6248. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. This one is the different letter. Brand teaser. Find the odd number. The last one. Can you find the odd letter? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.